welcome back to our channel. I am Margaret Tsay. Today we are excited to discuss a very unique opportunity for homeowner and investor. This is a fix and flip loan. So what exactly is a fix and flip loan? It's the perfect short-term loan to help you transform that fixer-upper into a stunning property. Fix and flip loans are designed specially for real estate investors and property owners looking to purchase, renovate, and sell property nationwide. First of all, let's talk about numbers. With fix and flip loan, you can borrow anywhere from 100,000 to 10 million. These loans have terms range from 12 to 18 months, give you the flexibility to complete your renovation and get the property sold. And with a credit score requirement minimum 650, it's accessible to many investors. Now here is where it gets very interesting. You can get up to 85% of the purchase price and 100% of the renovation cost covered. But remember, the total loan amount shouldn't exceed 75% of the after repair value, ensuring a safe investment for both you and the investor. These loans are available for 1 to 4 unit non-owner occupied properties, condos, townhouses, multiple family building, and even mixed-up use property. So no matter what type of property, we can get you covered. What if it's an owner-occupied property? In that case, you might consider a HELOC or a cash-out refinance. Whatever your need, we got you solutions. One important question you need to ask yourself: you borrow the money is going to be under your name or under a company name? Most of the time, it's under a company name. Here's what you need to apply: an application form, 2 months of bank statements, corporate or LLC entity document like article of corporation, operation summary showing ownership percentage, your rehab budget, previous real estate experience, and a valid ID. Simple, is that right? If you are a foreign national, no worry. You just need a valid passport, proof of income, either in your native country or the USA, and a down payment of 30 to 40%. So whether you are seasonal investor or just getting started, fix and flip loans provide the funds you need to turn your real estate dreams into reality. Ready to get started? It's very simple. Click on the link below and apply today. I am a licensed real estate broker and loan advisor. I can help you to solve the problem, the money problem, before the project, and I can help you to selling or renting after you complete the project. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, or subscribe my channel to get more real estate tips and opportunities. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.